this protest because we want justice.
ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸೋದ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ತರ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಎಸಗುತ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತವ್ರನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Everybody is telling that so we are like gods, but thing is they are killing gods only.
बस हम इतना ही बोलेंगे कि हम सुरक्षित नहीं है.
We want justice for Arjikar. What happened there, it's absolutely not accepted. So everyone in Bangalore, we are doing this protest because we want justice. We want justice for Arjikar Tilottama, Dr. Tilottama, and we want justice for her family, and we want safety and security for every human being in our country. So we don't have to do another protest in next time. I expect this should be the last protest for us. We want a safe country. We want the safety in our country. It's our normal human rights what we are asking today, and this is only I can say the safety.
I am Dr. Srinivas. I am the state IMA president. It is very unfortunate episode what has happened. Actually, since whatever happened on 9th night, it is not acceptable thing. Our national IMA president, he called for the one meeting and he made him to definitely we started opposing all this aspect. And around 12th we have done candlelight march protest also, we have done everything. And from that day onwards, whatever happened on 12th night, very miserable thing. For that reason, all over Karnataka, we are having 1,30,000 doctors. We are all protesting about that. We are not accepting this, and we are all protesting, and we are demanding, number one, justice for the girl. Any aspect, whatever politicians' involvement, whatever these things, we require justice. They have to provide justice for us. That's the most important. Second one, any doctors, because this is the job where 24/7 they have to work. Whole night around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, if they get any calls, irrespective of the sex, male or female, they have to move there and they have to treat the patient. Everybody is telling that so we are like gods, but thing is they are killing gods only. That's the reason we require protection. Definitely without protection we cannot work. And every hospital they have to make safe zone. Safe zone means that CCTV coverage should be there. Security people should be there. Some police outpost also should be there in a hospital. Previously they were thinking that doctors are gods, and then they will ask Dvaidyo Narayana. So but here no more in that. Safety is important for our girls. So that's why my sincere request for everyone to take care of the doctors or to create some good atmosphere for us to live. Thank you.
Hi, I'm talking from Bangalore. So we are actually gathered to protest for Arjikar. So we all know that what is going on. बस हम इतना ही बोलेंगे कि हम सुरक्षित नहीं है.
ಇವತ್ತು ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗಳು ಎದುರಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಬೀದಿಗಿಳಿಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಬೇಕು. ಈ ತರ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಎಸಗುತ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತವ್ರನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಯಾರ್ದು ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದು? ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರಾ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೀದಿಗೆ ಇಳಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ತರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ.